Extensible HTML. It is HTML that follows strict XML rules. It was the standard before HTML5 took over. Browsers still display it perfectly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view it. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful XHTML file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. XHTML files are web page documents written in Extensible HyperText Markup Language, which reformulates HTML as a strict XML application. They contain the same content types as HTML, including text, images, links, forms, and multimedia, but enforce XML well-formedness rules, requiring properly nested elements, closed tags, and quoted attribute values. XHTML files follow XML syntax rules with an XML declaration, XHTML DOCTYPE, and namespace declaration on the HTML root element. All elements must be properly closed and nested. Tags are case-sensitive lowercase, and attribute values must be quoted. The strict parsing model rejects malformed markup that HTML browsers would tolerate. The optimal viewer for the XHTML format is generally considered to be Google Chrome from Google LLC. Viewing this file correctly requires specialized software that ignores the Windows association data. Windows usually associates them with a default browser or editor. To bypass the default application error, right-click the XHTML file and choose Open With. Prioritize Google Chrome if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a viable decoder. If your XHTML file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific XHTML error occurs on most Windows systems. First, opening in a browser. Double-click the XHTML file or drag it into any modern web browser, including Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. The browser renders the page identically to HTML. If the browser displays XML parsing errors, the file contains malformed markup that violates XHTML's strict well-formedness requirements. Next, editing XHTML files. Open XHTML files in Visual Studio Code with the HTML or XML extension for syntax highlighting auto-completion and real-time error detection. Use the XML tools extension for validation against the XHTML DTD. Maintain strict XML compliance by ensuring all tags are closed nested properly and attributes are quoted. Finally, validating and debugging. Use the W3C markup validation service at validatorw3.org to check XHTML files for compliance with XHTML 1.0 or 1.1 specifications. Common errors include unclosed tags, unquoted attributes, uppercase element names, and missing namespace declarations. Fix reported errors to ensure consistent rendering across all XML compliant parsers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.